top end dismantling. Remove the drain cap and drain the engine oil in the engine oil disposer. Remember, do not use open-ended spanner for opening and tightening the drain bolt. Remove the strainer. Note the drained oil quantity and quality. Fit the drain cap. Remove the spark plug. The recommended spark plug is remove cylinder head cover bolts. Remember, always loosen the bolts in a crisscross pattern. Remove the head cover along with the gasket. Disconnect the neutral switch connection. Remove the magneto cover bolts. Magneto cover and drive gear with 2 washers on either side. Now, rotating the gear starter in a clockwise direction, pull it out carefully. Remember, place a plastic cap to arrest the falling of rollers. Rotate the rotor to align the correct timing mark such that the rotor mark is in line with the left-hand crankcase mark. The overhead cam sprocket marks are parallel to the cylinder head surface with the T mark on the top side. And both the rockers are free. All this indicates that the piston is at the end of the compression stroke and that the valve timing is correct. This makes the job easy when dismantling the camshaft from the cylinder head. Remove the starter motor. Remove cam chain tensioner central bolt and the O-ring. Unlock the cam chain tensioner plunger by rotating it in a clockwise direction. Remove the cam chain tensioner assembly along with the gasket. Using the cam sprocket holder special tool, lock the cam sprocket to prevent its rotation and then loosen the Allen bolt. Remove the Allen bolt and the washer carefully. Pull out the sprocket from the cam chain. Tie the cam chain using a soft copper wire. Remove the collar. Remove the cylinder head bolts. Remember, first loosen the short bolt and then the other 4 bolts. always loosen the bolts in a crisscross pattern. Remove the plate cylinder head. Holding the cam chain upright, pull out the cylinder head assembly. Now let's dismantle the cylinder head assembly. Using the rocker shaft puller special tool, pull out the intake rocker shaft and take out the roller rocker arm. Similarly, do it for the exhaust side. Remember, take care that the rollers don't fall off from the rockers. Remove the circlip and pull out the camshaft assembly. Let's remove the intake valve. Fit the valve spring compressor and adapter special tool on the spring and rotate its handle to compress the valve spring gradually. Remove the collets. Now unscrew the special tool to remove it. Remove the retainer and the spring. Push down the valve and pull it out from the other end. Similarly, remove the other valve. Remove the valve oil seals for both. To dismantle the cylinder block, remove the head gasket, guide chain and dowels. Holding the cam chain upright, pull out the cylinder block carefully. Remember, cover the crankcase bore with a clean cloth when removing the piston circlip or the snap ring. Remove the piston circlip from both sides. Using the piston pin drift, remove piston pin, piston, dowels and gasket.